Our math lesson will be adding and subtracting similar fraction. Adding and subtracting similar fraction. So from the word similar, same. We have the same denominator. Example number 1. 1/5 plus 2/5. Diba pag sinabi natin fraction, part of a whole. So pag pareho ang denominator, that means they have the same equal parts. Let's show it. For example, let's assume na same ang size ng circle. So we divide it into 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1/5 is only 1 of 5. 2/5 is 2 out of 5 parts. So if we add that parts, 1, 2, 3, that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tatlong equal parts. So 1, 2, 3. Ano ng fraction ito ngayon pag ating gagawing fraction itong pizza pie? Halimbawa, 1, 2, 3 will be its numerator over 5. So in adding similar fraction, we have to first copy its denominator. Since the same ang parts nila, copy, kopyahin lang natin kasi equal naman sila. And then add its numerator, 1 plus 2. So our final answer will be 3 over 5. Let's have another example. Number 2. 4 over 4 plus 2 over 4. Again, copy its denominator 4 and then add its numerator 4 plus 2. So our answer will be 6 over 4. If we simplify it, 6 over 4 will be 1 and 2 over 4. Or, pwede rin naman 1 and 1/2. Simplified answer. Another example, number 3. 2/3 plus 1/3. Again, copy its denominator, 3, and then add its numerator, 2 plus 1. So our final answer is 3 over 3. Since pareho ang numerator sa denominator, it will be or 1. Okay.